Creating a demo account on MetaTrader 5 using your mobile device is a straightforward process, and here is how you can set it up. First of all, in Android, open the Google Play Store, and in iPhone, open the App Store and search for the MetaTrader 5 and tap install or get to download and install the app. Once installed, launch the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Now, upon opening the app for the first time, you will be prompted to open the demo account, and all you have to do is tap on the open the demo account option available there and navigate to the create account section. Here, all you have to do is enter your full name, then enter your last name, then provide a valid phone number and enter your email address. Also, you can also choose between a standard or other available account types. You can also specify the initial virtual funds for your demo account. Now all you have to do is complete all this, and once you have entered all the information, you can see register button available at the bottom. Tap on it, then tap on the start option available there, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.